Advanced Equipment Solution. Equiptech stands as a pioneer in engine overhauling and HEMM maintenance, trusted by leading organizations for both site-based and workshop services. As a dependable after-sales support partner to BEML, we ensure the reliability, availability, and productivity of their heavy earth-moving machinery. Our service portfolio covers annual maintenance contracts, repair and overhauling, and complete lifecycle support, helping customers achieve consistent performance across their fleets. We work across a wide range of equipment, including dozers, motor graders, excavators, and dump trucks that are vital to the mining and construction industries. At the BEML workshop, Equiptech technicians follow a well-structured process. It begins with receiving and recording, followed by washing and dismantling. Components are cleaned, inspected, and jointly assessed to identify serviceable parts. Major assemblies like engine blocks and cylinder heads undergo repair and precision work. Finally, the process moves through quality checks, assembly, testing, pre-delivery inspection, and commissioning, ensuring every machine returns to service in peak condition. Our expertise extends beyond India. Equiptech specialists have supported CAT, Komatsu, Bell Trucks, Tata Hitachi, Dozers, and loaders in Australia, delivering solutions to maximize uptime. Often, we save costs for clients by repairing critical components, such as hydraulic cylinders, seals, and piping, rather than opting for expensive replacements. This ability to optimize spares management while maintaining high technical standards has become a hallmark of our service. At Equiptech, we combine deep technical knowledge, proven field experience, and a commitment to reliability. Our goal is clear: to keep heavy equipment performing at its best, reduce downtime, and provide customers with sustainable, cost-effective support across the full life cycle of their machines. Thank you for watching.